Today's summit comes at an important time as both countries are navigating the changing global economy and seeking to deepen future collaboration. I would note, from a SIFMA perspective, Japanese firms continue to enhance their footprint in the U.S. capital markets business, including, I would note, a recent Japanese firm became a U.S. primary dealer. And on the whole, we see strong and increasing presence in the U.S. markets in both the fixed income and equity markets by Japanese firms, and we welcome that for our market system. We have a shared vision of supporting the financial sector's contributions to long-term growth and investment in our countries. Today, the U.S. and Japan enjoy a strong ongoing diplomatic and economic relationship. Bilateral investment remains strong and contributes to the economic prosperity of both nations. The two-way portfolio transactions and securities between the U.S. and Japan total $1.6 trillion in 2023, more than doubling over the last decade. And in 2023, U.S. portfolio holdings of Japanese securities totaled just over $1.2 trillion, having almost doubled in the past decade. And Japanese portfolio holdings of U.S. securities was over $2.5 trillion, a 41% increase over the past decade. Focusing on government bonds, U.S. holdings of Japanese government bonds has grown almost $350 billion in 2023, a threefold focus over a 10-year period. And as of 2023, Japan was the largest external holder of U.S. treasuries, having overtaken China from an earlier position. The role of the U.S. and Japan as key investors in one another's economies cannot be overstated. Longstanding and economic and strategic relationship and friendship between the U.S. and Japan is essential to long-term global stability and prosperity of our global markets.
As the Japanese economy has firmly overcome the long-standing issue of deflation, Japanese corporate behavior has been evolving with a greater emphasis on capital costs and profitability. While on the investor side, the expansion of the tax exemption program for small investments called NISA has steadily promoted the shift from savings to investment, significantly broadening the investor base. On the other hand, from a global perspective, various factors such as ongoing geopolitical tensions seem to be leading the world into an era of further uncertainty. In this context, I am confident that Japan, which maintains both social stability as well as flexibility to changes, offers attractive investment opportunities to overseas investors through advancing these reforms that I mentioned.
コストカット型経済から高付加価値創出型経済への移行を通じて、賃上げと投資が牽引する成長型経済を実現してまいります。岸田政権で進め、内外投資家から高い評価をいただいている資産運用立国の政策もさらに発展させてまいります。まず家計の安定的な資産形成の支援や金融経済教育の一層の充実が重要です。両制度の利便性向上、魅力向上に向けて引き続き取り組んでまいります。企業の持続的な成長と中長期的な企業価値向上を促し、日本企業の魅力を高めることも重要です。さらに、投資成果の国民への還元が適切になされますよう、受益者のために資金を管理運用する年金や保険、学校法人などのいわゆるアセットオーナーの機能強化を図りますとともに、家計やアセットオーナーから1000兆円を超える資金運用を委託される資産運用会社の運用力の向上を促してまいります。こうした資産運用立国の取り組みを加速させるべく、本年10月に3回目となるジャパンウィークスを実施します。その中でオルタナティブ投資、地方を含めた日本への投資促進等を議論する資産運用フォーラムを開催します。日本は5年連続で最大の対米投資国でありますが、 2月の日米首脳会談におきまして、私はトランプ大統領に対米直接投資額を1兆ドルという未だかつてない規模まで引き上げたいと伝え、大統領からは強い歓迎の言葉がありました。資産運用立国の取り組みが日米間の投資と流れとお互いの利益となる関係をさらに強固にし、日米及び世界の金融資本市場、経済の発展、輝かしい未来の実現に貢献していくことを期待して私のスピーチといたします。どうぞよろしくお願いいたします。ありがとうございました。